morning, guys. Okay, so just a quick analysis of the crypto markets. Right now I'm trading XRP because apparently like altcoins, Bitcoin might wobble for a while, but altcoins I expect it to be bullish for at least the next 5 to 10 days. So I'm trading Polkadot, and then when I make some profits here, I'm gonna move some of the profits to the other exchange where I'm gonna trade Polkadot on the high stakes coins, like the 5 times coins, and the 3 times coins. But yeah, so just to use Luno here, this is Luno on computer. So this is the analysis. Right now, this is the situation on XRP. It looks to be forming a cap, a bullish cap, completing a bullish cap from the whole month, as you can see. This is the target. Now if it's falling like this, which means it could fall all the way down to maybe about here, which is about 1740. But as you can see, caps, this is what caps will do. Like if you look at this is like this month and some of the last month. Like I was shown, some of you who know me how I trade the caps, you can see how caps are formed. There's always caps. You can see at the bottom here, cap, mitigation, it forms into this cap handle, it continues, completes this cap, and then it starts go for this cap, the other side of this cap, gets up to there, completes that cap, and then goes into the cap handle, mitigation. Then it consolidates and then goes up again. If you look here all the way again, this is another cap, you see. So this is one thing you must always watch out for, it to tell you the possible point of where something is going to go. You mix that with trend lines and you can know where something is going to go. So if you look at this, it's a cap. It completed that cap, mitigated, and what does that tell you? There's another possible cap here, you can see by this point. And what happens after mitigation? It goes up to that point, forming another new cap. You see that? So it's been consolidating into this cap handle ever since. Then it attempted the new cap again, which is now on this resistance point. So now, as you can see, it's going into mitigation. Now it's not clear exactly how long this mitigation will last. I think maybe it's better to draw a trend line like from this point to that point. In fact, let's actually do that now. I'm not going to draw a parallel trend line, just draw a simple trend line, and you can see that. You see. So now when we move this, as you can see from this whole thing, it means that if this fall continues, it will follow this trend line, which is a very good thing. So over the next 20 days or this month, this trend line will probably tell you what the low is going to be. So if it falls like right now, like today heavily, it will probably stop at 15.55 to XRP. But it looks like it will take some days if it falls to this line. So it could fall as far as 16. Those are the lows that I'm expected, and you can see it goes with this support line. So yeah, if XRP falls, it will fall to a low of 16. But such a fall will actually be a good thing. It will be healthy, because if it does that and stops at 16, then we know that it's now aiming for 20s, because it has completed all these caps. The only cap left right now is this one. You see that? So if it can just fall and stop at 16, then we know that it's going to rise. Probably by next month or by the end of this month, it will rise to 21. So for me, that's going to be my trading range. I'm going to figure out what for today, it looks like the bias is long, because it was in a downtrend, a calculatable downtrend. You can see I've drawn this parallel trend line here. You can see there's a pattern in the downtrend, but it broke out of the trend line about 5 hours ago. It's trading right above the trend line, and this is another thing, like I said about caps. Even if it drops to 16 like today, it's most likely going to drop first to 18s around this trend line, then go back up, to the 19s or the 18 somethings, and form either a triple top or a double top before falling back, which is what I think will happen. I don't think it will cross 1950 now. It might happen, it might not happen, but I think it will stop somewhere by the 19s. If it goes higher, I don't think it will cross 20 rands per XRP. Before it begins its fall back down to the 16s and the 17s. That's my analysis for the crypto market right now. And normally they'll all follow the same pattern. You'll probably see this pattern on the same other altcoins as well. And Bitcoin as well, I think it will consolidate. And if it falls, I think Bitcoin can only fall to, if you're talking dollars, to a low of maybe $52,000. So yeah, if you're watching on this video on YouTube, please like and share. Don't forget to subscribe and click that notification button so that you're always notified every time we post a new video. All right, thank you guys, see you later.